Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional 3D animated brand logo completely free using powerful AI tools. No design skills, no expensive software, and the whole process takes only a few minutes.
In this video, I'll show you exactly how I created this futuristic animated logo step by step using AI. If you are a YouTuber, startup founder, or content creator, this method can help you build a professional brand identity very easily. And don't worry, I will show you everything step by step so you can follow along. And create your own animated logo in just a few minutes. Let's get started.
The process has 3 simple steps. First, we will generate a 3D logo using AI. Second, we will animate that logo using an AI animation tool. And finally, we will combine everything in CapCut to create a professional intro animation. Let's begin with step number 1. The first tool we are going to use is an AI logo generator. This tool can create high-quality 3D logos automatically using prompts, which means we simply describe the logo we want. Now here you can see the prompt box where we tell the AI what type of logo to generate. I used this prompt to create my logo. Let me quickly explain why this prompt works well. Futuristic tech startup logo tells the AI the style. Bold sans serif letters defines the font type. Chromed steel finish gives the logo a metallic premium look. Neon blue edge lights adds a modern glowing effect, and dark matte background makes the logo stand out more. Once your prompt is ready, simply generate the logo. Then you can choose the one you like the most and download it. Now that we have the logo, the next step is turning it into an animated cinematic logo. Then you can choose the one you like the most and download it. Now that we have the logo, the next step is turning it into an animated cinematic logo. Now we move to the second tool, which is an AI animation generator. This tool allows us to turn static images into cinematic animations automatically. First, upload the logo image we created. After uploading, we need to give the AI an animation prompt. This tells the AI how the animation should look. This prompt adds several important elements. Cinematic animation makes the movement look professional. Glowing particles adds visual effects around the logo. Smooth camera movement creates a dynamic intro, and dramatic lighting makes the logo feel more premium. Now generate the animation. Show rendering process. After a short moment, the AI produces a fully animated logo intro. Download the animation video. Now we move to the final step, where we turn this animation into a professional brand intro. For the final step, we will use CapCut to polish the animation. First, import the animated logo video into the timeline. Now we can improve the intro by adding a few simple elements. You can add your brand name, a short slogan, or your channel name. Then add cinematic background music to make the intro feel more professional. You can also add simple text animations to make the intro more engaging. The goal here is to create a short and powerful brand intro that you can use at the beginning of your videos. And just like that, we created a professional 3D animated brand logo using AI tools for free.
If you want more tutorials about AI tools, YouTube automation, and making money online, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also tell me in the comments, would you use AI to create your brand logo, or would you still hire a designer? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.